Welcome to the world of creating professional audiobooks from PLR eBooks, all from the comfort of your home studio. Begin by setting up your workspace with essential recording gear, a high-quality microphone, pop filter, and headphones. Ensure your room is soundproof to avoid unwanted noise. Start by selecting a PLR ebook you wish to transform. Open the ebook on your laptop, preferably in a document editor with the text highlighted for easy reading. Prepare your script by breaking the text into manageable sections. This helps maintain a natural flow while recording. Sit comfortably at your desk, adjust your microphone to the right height, and ensure your notes are within reach. Use a timer app on your phone to manage recording sessions efficiently. Begin recording, maintaining a steady pace and clear articulation. Warm, soft lighting in your studio can enhance your focus and comfort, allowing for longer recording sessions. After recording, listen to the playback and make necessary adjustments. Edit the audio to remove any mistakes or background noise, ensuring a polished final product. With dedication and the right setup, transforming PLR eBooks into professional audiobooks can be a fulfilling and profitable endeavor. You can access many of our PLR content at www.digitaldesignersolutions.com, and happy recording.